You want to throw the Frisbee with Mom? You ready, doggies? All right, here we go. Here you go, guys. How do we call the puppies, Zoe? Come on, puppies. Yes, clap your hands. That's right. There you go. Say Emma.
Emma.
All dogs are Emma, apparently. But is that not the cutest thing ever? Emma. Call the puppies. You should get you. She gave you kisses. Careful. Don't knock her down. Emma, come here. She's got the Frisbee for you. Good girl. You gonna throw it? You gotta throw it really good. Say, come on, Emma. Come on, Emma. Oh my God, you're so cute. Oh. Yay, Zoe! Good job! Yay! Yeah, throw it to her. Go ahead, throw it to her. Give it to her. Oh my God, cutest thing ever. You give it to her? Frisbee. Where's Emma? What you doing, Boogie? You throwing the Frisbee for the Emmas? Emma! Emma! Call Emma. Zoe, say, there you go, good girl. Let's try to clap for the puppies. Say, Emma. Atta girl. Such a good walker. Uh-oh, we forgot our Frisbee. And we're down. Hey, Boogie. What you got? Emma, Piper, come on. Come on. Come on, guys. Zoe's got your Frisbee. Oh, he's so cute. You got it? You're better at fetching than the dogs. Cutie pie. All right, bye-bye.